Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious barbecue pork rissoles. Now these are actually great for lunch boxes. So Amira takes these to school for her lunch and she doesn't get tired of them. She loves them and they're really quick and easy. So I just wrap them up in foil, might heat them up before I pop them in the lunch box, but they're usually cold by the time she gets them, and she just bunches them in her mouth and pour them, and then she can go off and play, and that's her lunch. I know that then she's had a nutritious lunch packed full of veggies, protein, and she's enjoyed it, and she'll be more likely to eat it because it's quick and easy.
I think it's really important to note in terms of blood sugar levels and energy throughout the day. Like, it's really important kids have protein in that midday meal, and in every meal.
Yeah, so morning tea, yogurt.
Yeah.
You know, like even in the winter time, porridge that's got some got the milk in it, and put it in a little thermos like that. You can even put these on wraps too, so be worried that your kids won't just, you know, pop them in their mouth and eat it because they're not like Amira where they're used to it. You can pop them on wraps.
In sandwiches.
Yeah, sandwiches, delicious.
Yeah. Better than sliced Devon or...
Devon with tomato sauce.
Yeah. We've been going for like 5 minutes now, but that's taken all of 5 minutes.
Now, I think I make around about 40 of these, maybe even more, and they freeze really well as well. So you can have half out, share with your family. You can sell lunch boxes, whatever, and then the next half of the week when you've ran out, you just pull them out of the freezer. Boom, no cooking. Another great thing about this recipe is that it's good for the littlies to get involved in the process, and we know that when they are involved in the process and they have these choices, then they're more likely to actually eat food and be proud of the food. Kids love to get their hands dirty, love to play with different textures. And then it's not such a boring task to be done when we do it together, isn't it?